Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale vocabulary with Memrise easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using Memrise for vocabulary expansion, first, download the Memrise app or visit the Memrise website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the home, search for a language you want to learn or select a course that fits your current level and interests. Click on the course to open it. Begin with the first lesson or module. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the lesson, including vocabulary lists and practice modes. Engage with the flashcards that show words and their meanings. Listen to the pronunciation of each word by tapping on the audio icon. Repeat the words aloud to practice your pronunciation. Take advantage of the typing exercises to reinforce your recall of the vocabulary. Use the Learn with Locals feature to hear native speakers using the words in context. After completing a lesson, review your progress and the words you've learned. Make sure to use the spaced repetition feature to revisit words at optimal intervals. Track your progress on the dashboard to stay motivated and see improvements over time. Explore additional resources like the community-created courses for more vocabulary options. To expand your vocabulary further, consider adding daily goals to your learning routine. Set reminders to practice regularly, which helps solidify your memory retention. Finally, engage with the Memrise community to find tips and encouragement from fellow learners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.